Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to perform hard reset on your earbuds Marshall Motif II. You have to start by put your earbuds to the charging case, and after that you need to press and hold at this connection button on your charging case until the LED light turns purple. So press and hold on it. And here we go, we have a purple. So firstly we need to remove these headphones from your phone, click the information icon or settings icon if you have Android. Forget this device, forget device. Also if you have Android, click pair new device. And after hard reset, this earbuds enter to pairing mode automatically, so just tap on it at the device list. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!